Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Terra Luna Classic. I'm going to be analyzing the charts, sharing where I personally could see the price of Terra Luna Classic going in the immediate short term. If you are a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end, because I'm going to be sharing some bullish indication for you guys, that maybe not a lot of people might be mentioning right now. So if we're looking at the price right now, you guys can see there's still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 9248. We're very, very close to even kill another zero. Down about 2.3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But most importantly, if we're looking at its market cap, it's sitting still above a $500 million mark, currently sitting at $540.5 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $117 million. But of course, now we're going to shift our focus towards the price, see what really is happening and where I could see the price really going in the immediate short term, and what is this bullish indication that I'm talking about right now. So I'm going to share that with you guys. But before we get into that, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So before we even get into the Terra Luna Classic price, we're going to be analyzing something, and I want to show you guys something very, very, very important. Doesn't matter if you're holding Terra Luna Classic or not, you could be holding any altcoin, and this applies to you. You guys can see the BTC dominance has increased tremendously over the past few hours. We've seen a massive green candle, and we're seeing BTC dominance once again above 48%. So this altcoin season that everyone was talking about seems like that part is going to be getting delayed because of the fact that we have seen a massive spike. Now you might be saying, why is this BTC dominance spiking? Because we're starting to see a lot of volatility come in the price of Bitcoin, and the uncertainty is increasing on the BTC side, which is increasing the dominance, and obviously when dominance increases and Bitcoin sees further retracements, altcoins are going to get hit even harder. And speaking about that, look at it for yourself. If we're looking at the a main homepage of the markets, you guys can see across the market a massive bloodbath. A lot of coins down 5 to 6%. That's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a retracement, and of course dominance has increased, which is causing this to happen. So of course from yesterday, when we saw that green candle forming in the price of Bitcoin, of course that was whale manipulation, and I even said that to you guys before. If you guys go watch any of my video when I made it around that time, I said this could be a fake out. This could be just whales trying to shake out the massive shorts that were piling up. And after having a massive move towards the upside, of course a lot of liquidations occurred for the people that were shorting. So that could be the reason as to why we have seen this. But once again, we're seeing BTC start making a retracement towards the downside, and we are yet to go back above this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is a very, very important. But so these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But as far as Terra Luna Classic is concerned, I mentioned to you guys earlier there's a bullish indication that I wanted to share with you guys, and that bullish indication is despite the fact that of course we have seen a retracement, let's not get that out of the way. We have seen Lunc's price from its high that we have seen this month. We have seen the price go down about 20%, but what we have seen is we never saw the price go back down to the June 4th prices. And that shows the strength is there, because of course if the strength wasn't there right now, it's not even a hesitation. No one can argue to the fact that we would have seen Terra Luna Classic go back down to these levels, but we're still seeing quite solid momentum around this range, even though we're seeing dominance increasing, uncertainty level increasing for BTC. So of course that would cause a lot of altcoins to plummet, and we're seeing that across the board. But for Lunc right now, we're seeing it hold around this range, and we would like to see that price hold around this level. Of course we do have some support built up around that range, so we do need to keep that factor in mind as well. So now comes the question, what is next? Of course a lot of people are coming in saying Terra Luna Classic timing was super bad. We got pumped up, and then we are all the way back down again. And why does Bitcoin have to do this? But again, guys, this is where you need to start learning that Bitcoin is the king of the markets, and there's no question asked about that. and Bitcoin can come and literally invalidate anything in a matter of seconds. At what we have seen happen with Lunc. I personally believe, guys, to be quite frank with you guys, I personally believe if, Bitcoin did not see a retracement, we would have seen Terra Luna Classic retest this level of resistance because the volume was increasing quite a bit. Last time we saw even this much trading volume in Terra Luna Classic dates back to literally November of last year. So throughout this year, we have not seen this much of volume coming in for Terra Luna Classic. So this really showed that, things were heating up. And right now, I still believe things are not over yet. Reason as to why I think that's the case is because, of course, now once again, everyone is talking about Terra Luna Classic. Of course, after, it made its way down to these levels, everyone was saying, oh man, Terra Luna Classic is dead. This is it. This project is not going anywhere. And then boom, all of a sudden, we've seen a massive spike and we don't really know. Of course, I shared some news with you guys 2 days ago as to what I personally believe that has causing this, but overall, it could be big exchanges. So of course, Binance, the biggest exchange that supports Terra Luna Classic revival, they could be the ones doing these buybacks. Who knows? No one really knows. But what we can see is that the momentum definitely was building up. And is this momentum dead? That might be the question that you may be asking. Is this momentum over? I don't personally think so. At the same time, we do need to be monitoring the price of Bitcoin very, very closely, because Bitcoin at the end of the day is very, very crucial, and it predicts what is going to happen with the entire market. So right now, I'm liking what I'm seeing, to be quite frank with you guys. Yes, we have seen a retracement. Now you guys may be saying, why are you excited? We're still up about 10% since the June 4th price, and we will definitely take that. Okay, we are going to take that. It's going to be a one step at a time, but still, guys, my main target still remains the same, which is at this massive level of resistance. The price of Terra Luna Classic really needs to retest that. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 60%. And now you may be saying right off the bat, that is a huge spike from the current levels. That's not going to happen, but this is crypto. We've seen this in the past. A lot of people never thought that Terra Luna Classic could make a move like this last summer. And we saw last summer USTC along with Terra Luna Classic literally fly through the roof. Saw 5x in a matter of a week and a half. When the money really flows into the markets, guys, it can flow very fast. And remember, this is when we were still in at the start of a lot of uncertainty and a bear market, of course, but we saw this really spike. So I could see something very similar happen. The interest level is once again building, but of course at the same time, the Bitcoin needs to hold around this range. If Bitcoin drops again to 25k mark, then yes, Terra Luna Classic could fall down. But I'm going to be quite frank with you guys, I don't hold any Terra Luna Classic as of yet, but I'm starting to see that this might be a little bit of a time where I accumulate. As of now, I don't own anything. If I were to buy, I will let you guys know, but I am liking what I'm seeing right now in front of my eyes. But of course, I would love to know your thoughts down below, what you guys think on this entire situation. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.